Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can use the Find tool to find any piece of text in a web page in Google Chrome. So first, let's understand what it is. Let's open our Google Chrome and open a particular website. For example, let's say this. Now, as you can see that this article about data structures in Python is pretty long. And if you want to find a particular word or you want to know the location of a particular word in this complete article, you might consider reading the complete article line by line. But that is very tedious and a time-taking process. So, to counter with that, you can simply use the Find tab. You need to press Ctrl and F key combinations on your keyboard. Or you can also click on the three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen and you can see the Find and Edit tab. You need to hover your cursor here and click on the Find option. Or you can simply press the Ctrl and F key combinations. Now, this Find dialog box open. Now, you can search any word which you want to find on this article. For example, let's say lists. And here you can see that it showed all the words with the list in it are highlighted now. And as you can see, there are total number of 44 lists which have appeared in this particular article. You can navigate to them by using these particular arrows. If you want to go to the bottom of the web page, simply click on the next button like this. If you want to go upwards, click on the previous button like this. Now, you have successfully learned how to use the Find tool. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, comment on our video, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a very nice day.